Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monzo in-app chat and how you can use that in order to contact Monzo customer support team as of 2025. For that, first of all, open your Monzo application and simply log in into your account. Then you will quickly find the answer to most of the questions by searching the help section. So if your card been stolen or whichever problem you are facing, you can simply contact to them. So on the home screen, you need to tap on your profile icon, then go in your settings, and there you need to tap on your name in order to change your address and phone number. There you will see the chat option, so you can just simply use that chat option and you can contact to the customer support team, or you can even call them at the given numbers, and you can even mail them on this email, that is bank-statements@monzo.com. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.